everyone. Now in this video, we are going to talk about very interesting function that is drill through. So very small function but very important and uh, effective function. So it's a magical, functions. So you can see on the right hand side of your page, whether you run in the top line report or the product details, on the right hand side you can see the option add deal through field. Whenever I select any visual, so you can see same option but the below all the things like add drill through. So now I don't want to select anything, but I can see the drill through. So drill through is an option. It will use the flexibility to interchange the pages, right? So consider that if I want to check, so let's talk about this. Let's understand how it works. So this maybe you have to watch this video twice because this function is very important. So let's concentrate on it. So when I come on this top line report, so you can see the product name over here and the return rate. So if I want to check, if the customer says that I want to check the individual product and its performance, so how you can explain it? So that's why we need a different page, individual page for the product details. So we already created the product details, and if your customer says I want to check the return rate for the particular, let me check it. So here we have the mountain 100 silver, and if your customer says that I want to check the uh, you know uh, everything about your mountain, like a return rate by month and return revenues by the start of month, at the time how you can show him. So the drill through options gives you the flexibility, switch between one page to another page and give it the flexibility, show the particular things, the required things to your customer. So let's go over there. So I'm just adding over here the drill through. The product name, I already typed here the product name. Let me just drag it and drop it over here. Once you do it, so one icon gets a pop up over here. Let me just arrange it. Okay, so you can see under the drill through, you got the option over here. So let's go to the top line report. When you go to the top line report, you just select a particular thing. Let me just take option. You can play around, no issues. This road 650. Right click, drill through, product details. Once you click, it will automatically switch and it shows you the detail about that particular product. Alright. Again, you can do with the several product, no issues. So the higher return rate, let me check where is the higher return rate. Yes, you already selected this, right? This. Okay, drill through product details. It will take us back to our page. So if you are showing this data to your client and your client after 10 to 15 minutes, your client will forget that about which data you were talking. So at that time it will be very difficult from them also to identify, right, on which page they were on and on what topic they were talking. So it's a simple way to show the particular product name over here, because we are on the product detail page, we are talking about the individual product. So for that purpose, let me take one card. So let's arrange this card and just save the time. Okay, perfect. So under the card, I got the flexibility like the fields. Let me just put the product name over here. See, we have selected the Touring Blue 46 under the top line report, right? So it is showing the individual product and it's showing the analysis of that particular product. Let me just do some formatting. I don't like this. Wait, background, let me turn it on. This little bit harder. Title is not there, then Okay, header icon is here. Visuals category label is on. White. Okay, so we'll take another color. Let me just, okay, this color, no. I think black is good. Okay, so same thing you can do if you change the product. You can change the product, no issues. The mountain will take. Go here, drill through, and the product details. Automatically switch over here, and it will show the name also, right? So I just want to change the size of it. Let me just check where it is. This call out value 27 is 30 is too much. I think this is okay, right? Okay, perfect. Let's talk about the another product. Let me just take this on the last. So you can play around, no issues at all. So you can get the perfect idea about the drill, right? Showing everything about this revenue and order, your total return and all this for the particular product. So as I selected this, card, that's why I'm able to show, I'm able to see the card and the behind back you can see the drill through option. But actually on the real, it is on the back of that this page, right? So I just want to send it back. Okay, send backward. I just click over here, send it backward. Okay, it's great. See, if you want to, click on this, you just have to press the control and just click over here. It will automatically take you on the main page, right? See, again we'll do. Press the control and click over here. It will take you on the main line or the top line report. So I hope that you understood about the drill through option, right? So very important. Thank you guys.